My name is Hamza from grade 2E. My science invention is about electricity. Today I'll be making a simple electrical circuit in the form of a flashlight. Here are the materials we need. So let's get started. As we all know, aluminum foil is known to be a conductor of electricity, and from the source, which is the battery, the electric travels through the foil. And if I connect the negative to positive side of the battery, it will make a full cycle, the energy flow freely. But if I disconnect one side of the foil, it will stop the flow and making the bulb turn off. So pressing and unpressing both sides serves as a switch to my homemade flashlight. I hope you all enjoy my simple invention. Bye everyone.